Welcome to Get Smart Office Edition,
the show where we help you laugh about and get better at office life.
I'm Shannon.
And I'm Laura.
Now, let's get smart. You wanted to see me, boss?
Yes, have a seat. I wanted to talk to you about the call with the project team the other day. You were sharing your screen during that meeting, right?
Yeah, I was showing them the new process.
I don't know if you realized it, but the chat messages from Amy were showing up in the alert window during your screen share.
Oh, so everyone saw her messages to me.
Yes. And unfortunately, everyone, including Mick, saw Amy's messages about how he drones on and can never get to the point.
Oh, I'm sorry, boss. I didn't realize that other people were seeing those pop-ups.
Next time, put your chat app on Do Not Disturb. And I also recommend not encouraging Amy to have those kinds of conversations with you in a work chat.
Video calls and screen sharing can be a source of embarrassment and also introduce security risks to your company. So it might be great to take some precautions when you know that you're going to be screen sharing, or there's a possibility when you're on a video call.
Close down any apps you do not need open during the meeting. So not only will incoming things distract you, but you could accidentally share sensitive or embarrassing information that the people in your call should not be seeing.
When sharing, try to only share a single app instead of sharing your entire screen. Most of the video software and screen sharing apps out there will allow you to do this. So practice if you need to before you screen share.
With your friends, they'll appreciate it.
Yes.
Put any apps that pop up notifications in the corners on Do Not Disturb. This is just good practice for every meeting, even if you won't be sharing your screen, because then you can focus.
And I really appreciate when I'm hosting a meeting and people are actually paying attention. That's pretty nice.
Funny thing. We also recommend that you set your background if you aren't a tidy person or don't want people to see your space. Most meeting call apps have stock backgrounds you can choose, or you can do blur, which at least shows that you're in some kind of room, but they can't see the details of it.
And definitely, always make sure that you're wearing something that if you have to get up for some emergency reason, kid runs in, dog runs in, kid throws a baseball through your window, whatever happens, if you have to get up from your desk and you're on video, please, always wear pants. This has been a public service announcement.
Thank you for coming to our TED Talk.
Have a great week, everybody.
Thanks for listening. Subscribe to catch new episodes of Tips and Skits every Monday and Wednesday, and join us for our Real Story segment and our blooper reel on Fridays.
Want to share your hilarious office stories with us? We might turn them into an episode.
Send us your thoughts and feedback at gsoe@diecastmediagroup.com and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.
Special thanks to Rebecca, who created animations for our skits, which you can watch on our YouTube channel. Also, thanks to Wendy, our audio editor, Lelia, our social media manager, and Austin, our technical engineer.
If you would like to support the show, review and share with your friends, or consider supporting us on Patreon, links are in the show notes.
Get Smart Office Edition is a DieCast Media Group production.